Hey guys, Coach Matt here. Happy New Year. Welcome to the 8x4 Habit Reset Challenge. So, you would have heard me spoke about New Year's resolutions before, and I don't really buy into it because it's this big start on this one big day and we try and achieve too much too soon, and it ultimately sets us up to fail. The true success is small habits done daily. So, I'm going to cover the 8 key habits. I'm going to cover the 3 principles that this is based on. I'm going to cover what to do for maximum success, and I'm going to finish off with 2 top tips. It's going to be a short video, but the 8 habits. So you may want to lose £4 in 4 weeks. You may want to do 4 exercise sessions per week. You may want to have 4 or less alcoholic drinks per month. You may want to have 4 glasses of water per day. You may want to go for a 4-mile walk or bike ride in nature once a week. You may want to do 4 minutes of meditation or quiet reflection every day. You may want to do 4 minutes of journaling or putting pen to paper and writing down what you are truly blessed and grateful for. You may want to eat 4 pieces of fruit and veg per day. So you've probably got to that bit and gone, Matt, what do you keep going may for? Because the habits that you set up for you are individual to you and really important to you. If a 4-mile walk in nature is something you really want to do and it's not important to you, so pop your phone away, get in the green stuff and have some reflection time in nature with a loved one or a dog or on your own, then don't do that. If you don't want to have 4 or less alcoholic drinks in a whole month, then don't do that. The 8x4 habit reset is we're going to do up to 8 things and we're going to make it last 4 weeks, and we're going to work on the habits that are truly important to us. So what's important to me might not be important to you. So just pick the habits that you want to do and you want to home in on. And of course, them habits are just a guide. You can create your own habits. You might say, I'm doing this and I'm going to put updates about it. So 8 habits, 4 weeks, pick what's important to you. So the 3 principles, it's built on being small, specific, and it's going to happen daily. The small habits that you can do daily have got more chance of getting ingrained in our psychology that we're going to stick to. So they need to be small. Ideally, you need to do something daily. The next principle is I've attacked it from a mind, body and soul point of view. And I'm not going to get all spiritual on you now, but the mind, the body, the heart set, it all works as one. So that's why the habits are covered with food and water. It's covered with movement. It's covered with gratitude, reflection and time in nature. So we can try and hit the whole cycle because it all works together. The main principle that this is based on is accountability. So if you become accountable to a mentor, a coach or a group of people, you are 60% likely to succeed with that habit rather than doing it individually. So that's why I've created this 8x4 habit reset. So what do you, because I'm doing it as well, what do we need to do to get maximum success with this? Again, we're going to pick the habits that are important to us. We're not going to do the habits that we're not bothered about. The habits that are important to us, we have got to have a big, passionate, powerful, why am I doing this? Now, if you're going for a walk in nature and you don't really like walking in nature, then you're not going to get a powerful enough why and get passionate about it and enthusiastic about it to want to do it. So only do the ones that are really important to you. The next thing that we need to make sure we do for maximum success is to make sure that they are so small it would be embarrassing if we didn't do it. The whole idea with this habit reset is to build up small tiny habits daily that we can build on over the year. So that's the reason I put £4 in 4 weeks. £1 a week is totally doable. I didn't write £14, I didn't write lose a stone. 4 minutes of meditation. Just to sit quietly and have a think about things for 4 minutes is so doable. We can do that sitting on the toilet, we can do it in the bath, we can do it while we're driving. I didn't put half an hour of meditation. So make sure the habits that you do, you're starting off small, tiny, daily, and it's a little bit embarrassing if you didn't do it because you've set them so small. The major thing that we can do to be successful in this is to post our successes on the group. I'm going to create a private messenger group. It's secure, it's private. Only the people that have messaged me and said, I'm doing a habit reset, Matt, I'm in, are going to be in that group. And it's our job to put our successes on there. It's our job to put if we've missed a day. It's our job to say, if we missed a day, how are we going to fix it the next day or by the end of the day? It's our job to keep each other, keep the momentum going all together. Let's all keep each other fired up. Let's give people a pat on the back. And if someone's struggling, let's give them some top tips for success. I want you to think here, think of the success of Warriors, how we're a big, massive family unit and we all work together, we all giggle together and we all help one another. Think Weight Watchers, think Slimming World, think Alcoholics Anonymous. All these groups, the power is in the support of them together. So that's what we're going to do for maximum success. My 2 top tips to make this super successful. Again, make it so small, it's embarrassing if you didn't do it. So if 4 glasses of water is quite daunting for you, I want you to start off with 1 glass of water first thing in the morning. Take a picture of it, take a video of it, post it. If 4 pieces of fruit and veg per day is too much, one piece of fruit, 1 portion of veg, 1 drink of super greens, post a picture, put a video on it. Top tip number 1, make it so small, it is easily doable, easy enough to get a tick, boom, we're done. Top tip number 2, you've got to share it on the group. You've got to give yourself lots of pats on the back. You've got to send pictures. You've got to send videos. You've got to put, did this. Maybe if you're doing a gratitude journal, mate, you might hold your journal up and go, look, I've done this today. I've done my 4 minutes. I've wrote down gratitude for 3 things. You don't need to share personal data, but just evidence to me, your coach, to the group, that you've done it. Right. That's the quickest habit reset video ever. Up to 8 habits. In 4 weeks, we're going to create a group. We're going to evidence on the group with pictures, videos and posts that we're doing it. We're starting January the 6th. We're going to smash it and we're going to support one another. Any questions, ask. Ask me at Warriors. Send me a message. Let's do this habit reset. Let's set 2020 up for maximum success. Love you all loads and I'll speak to you soon.